Hey guys, good morning. It's Dr. Mona, and in today's video, I am gonna do something different. I'm actually gonna do a daily vlog because I never do these, and this is something you guys have been asking me to do for a while, so I thought it would be kind of fun to mix it up. I always like to start my day with a little movement. It just honestly makes my day so much better and more productive. So today I'm working out with my trainer, Vic. And then since I have a Dermalogica event, I'll be getting my hair done with one of my favorites, Paul, and then I'll head to the event.
I'm so excited.
I'm really looking forward to today's Dermalogica event. I'm gonna get to show you guys some new and exciting skincare products. Julia will be with me, we'll grab some lunch, we'll do some work, and I'll just bring you guys along. Just got to my workout. Early morning sessions with Vic. Say something, Vic.
We're vlogging.
What are we doing today?
Today's gonna be fun.
I think you're showing off your abs. Go on.
Mona doesn't like the sun,
No.
which is strange to me because like you can work on your tan and on your physique at the same time.
Oh, but he knows so little about skin. You work on your tan with a spray tan. You don't ever go in the sun. You work on your anti-aging by staying out of the sun. So the rope was there. We moved it over here. We're accommodating.
Everything's coming to a shape. Amen.
The ropes are really great for targeting mostly your arms, but because you're in that hip hinge position, they also cover your entire posterior chain, which is your booty, lower back, and hamstrings. This rower is so killer, but it's amazing because it's part cardio, part full body workout. We always set it on full resistance to make sure it's the most effective. Paul.
Morning.
This room is still a work in progress. This day bed's a little crowded. But what I decided to do with this room was actually put like a little display of different products I get that I'm supposed to test and try. That way I won't forget, number one. And I just think they look nice. And when things look nice, I feel like you're more prone to use them. So I rotate these out pretty often, and there's us.
I feel like we have mornings like this pretty often, maybe like 3 times a week. So Paul is getting me ready for kind of a long day. I have a really fun event today with Dermalogica. We are doing kind of like a skincare school where they teach us about any new product they're launching, and then we're really educated on it so we can go ahead and like basically help them share content and try it out and test it for ourselves and then share it with our community. Paul just sprayed this product in my hair and it literally smells like heaven. It's called Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. So I don't love texture spray normally because I feel like it makes my hair too messy and I like it silkier, but where'd you put it? Just like in my roots?
I just like sprayed it, but you spray it far away and like it just kind of gives you a little bit of texture without, being too heavy.
So the key is to spray it a little further away so it's not so like...
So it doesn't build up too
Yes. So we're getting ready and I will let you guys know what else goes on today. All right, we are on our way to Carson. Ooh. Julia's filming so that I don't get in an accident. We're going to Carson for this Dermalogica, I don't even know if you call this an event, it's like skincare school.
It basically is, yeah.
So we basically go and we're learning about their new product launch, and we're gonna get to learn like all the details of it, try it out, we get to take it home, see how we like it. Yeah. We are drinking some lattes from Alfred. I have a decaf coconut milk latte. I've been on a decaf kick lately to control my cortisol a little bit, and for me, coffee is totally a placebo thing. Just the aroma and the taste and all of it kind of wakes me up, so I don't always need the caffeine, but obviously always plant-based. What'd you get? I got coconut milk.
I got a almond milk latte and fully caffeinated.
Fully caffeinated.
Because I need it.
Sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't. I'm always like testing different diets and things, so we're seeing how it goes. Although neither of us ate this morning, we're starving. Hopefully they have some good food there. Getting a little bit of fruit. What do you got? Just a little.
Don't show.
little tour.
How like high tech is their headquarters?
Amazing.
Balance. So this is the whole reason why everyone's here. We're learning about the product, how it works, and it actually isn't out yet. So it's kind of cool that we get to really learn about it and just educate before it comes out. The whole point of this product is that it's supposed to break through the lipid barrier. So for anyone that doesn't know, our skin has this lipid barrier, and it's really meant to protect us, to not let certain things in, not let certain things out. The problem is sometimes we want skincare products to really break through, because if they're not, then they're just sitting on the top layer, which can feel nice. It's why when you put on like a really thick moisturizer, it can feel really nice and smooth on the outside, but sometimes it's not really seeping in. Like, and you can usually feel the difference when something's like really sinking into your skin. It's also why if you do an exfoliator first and then you put on like an oil or cream that you feel like it's getting in, it's because you're getting rid of that dead layer of skin, so you're getting in deeper. So this kind of gives you that benefit without having to exfoliate. They even did a test where they take this tape and they peel off layer after layer, and they see if there's product still on the tape. They're basically testing different layers of your skin, and it's clinically proven to get through 10 layers. That's why it's called the intensive moisture balance, because it really gets in there and it really just leaves you super hydrated. And by the way, whether you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin combination, everyone needs moisture. Just because you have oily breakouts doesn't mean you need moisture. In fact, that's when you might need it more. So we'll explain more of that later. Event for Dermalogica, and one thing I really love about these events is that it's very like education focused. We learn all about the products, the mechanism, how they work, how they react with your skin, and I feel like it's cool how much they focus on really teaching their partners. Hey, we just came to get some lunch. We decided to come to Erewhon and go right to their prepared food section because it's pretty much the best thing you can get. It's almost like better than regular lunch. Little Erewhon stop. So clean and amazing. Those beautiful things. So pretty. Let's get one. Should we? I think I don't even know. Get that purple. I don't even know. This one soup is really good too. So we're paying for our food. I have this thing at Erewhon where I'm like, basically just take all my money. I feel like the store was made to take my money because I want every single thing in here all the time. We We got lunch and we're gonna go home and get some work done.
Okay, so we're home. We're about to have some nice lunch. Julia, what did you get?
Oh my god, all the veggies, literally.
Erewhon is the best.
Is that cauliflower
Cauliflower,
I might have to
beets,
steal one.
carrots, and avocado.
Delicious.
So good.
These are the little nuts that I keep out just on display. I've got raw pecans, walnuts, almonds, and some goji berries. It's like my at-home trail mix. Here's what I got. Oh, it's steamy. I didn't get as many vegetables as you. It was a little bad, but I got veggie fried rice. Erewhon has this like eggplant. It's like an eggplant lasagna, vegan amazingness, and a little gem salad. And then we got this to share. We could not resist the lavender lemonade. It's just too pretty.
So good.
And I like that it has silica in it because silica is great for your skin. Bon appetit. So it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm getting ready to head to dinner with some friends. We are going to get some sushi. I love sushi restaurants, even though I'm vegan. I know it sounds weird, but I find that they have the best selection of like sides and veggie dishes, so I will share everything I order off the menu. Here's a quick view of my closet. I'm actually still in the process of organizing it. I've got a video coming soon that I filmed with this interior designer, Julie Koo, and we did kind of a whole redo of my entire apartment. But just to give you a little sneak peek, there it is. See you guys at dinner. For me, it's a lot of sushi. For everyone else, but right now I'm sticking to my rice with a little bit. I've got a little bit of soy sauce on this rice, steamed broccoli, veggie roll, and then I'm waiting for my cucumber cinnamon. This is spicy cucumber salad. It's basically like cucumber cinnamon, but they make it really spicy and big, thick chunks. It's the best salad here.
Oh, really?
Little day in the life vlogs like this, or if you'd rather just have me straight to camera talking about things I know and love, let me know what you guys think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.